What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got a couple of stories for you, no questions. Without further ado, let's jump into the tech news. Our first story has to do with the S24 series of phones. Some information is really starting to leak with these devices, and we're learning little bit by little bit more about these. So here's the tweet coming from Ice Universe, who's saying that he has enough news about the S24 and 24 Plus that has changed some design details and will realize a narrower bezel. However, the overall design language of the 24 Ultra is still the frame design of the S23 Ultra. So if you're hoping for some changes with the three phones, it looks like the 24 and 24 Plus will show more of a change, but not a huge change. And then the 24 Ultra will basically look about the same as the 3 Ultra at that point. But then to add on to this, he's also saying that the 24 and 24 Plus use an LTPO screen. Now, if you don't know what that is that variable refresh rate screen that is going to be the same as the 24 Ultra and the 23 Ultra, and I believe the 22 Ultra as well, where you got that 1 to 120 hertz refresh rate on the display. So basically when it's just, static, it's not moving, it's going to run at about 1 hertz and it won't use as much battery life. Otherwise, it's got to run usually somewhere between 48 and 120, but this will fix and rectify some of those issues, potentially giving you better battery life while also maintaining a really high refresh rate when it is needed. And then to summarize everything, so far it looks like not any big changes physically to these phones. So if you love the design, you'll be happy currently with what everything looks like. But then if you're looking for something major and different, you're probably not potentially ever going to get that, especially with these slab phones. And our last story of the day has to do with the OnePlus Open Fold and some slight bad news, but a little bit of good news mixed in with it. And let's just, just dive right into the tweet right here. This comes from Max Jamber, who's saying open launch, also known as the OnePlus Open, got pushed back a bit, but no worries, the delay is actually good in a way. The OnePlus Open was supposed to have a BOE screen, but it turns out it was not that good. New panels are from Samsung, which is definitely better. Stay tuned for more exciting device, more to follow. So let's talk about that, guys. Samsung makes basically the best displays in the industry. LG's probably number 2 or up there. Everybody uses Samsung displays. That's a major player in this. Google, Apple, Samsung themselves, OnePlus obviously here. So they're going with a better display, but it also at the same time is pushing this phone out a little bit. I don't know if it's going to be weeks or a month or longer. So again, it's good mixed with bad. I know some of you guys are really hoping to get this phone really quickly. My guess is if they were going to launch it in August, and maybe they still will, that they probably will have to push this back maybe an extra week or two just to make sure they have their ducks in a row and that the phone is ready to go. So you're probably still looking at least middle September. But now my guess would probably be, if everything's pushed back a little bit, probably be late September, maybe even early October for the release of the OnePlus Open Fold. Let me know what phone you're ordering next. That'll be your question of the day. Put it in the comments down below. It could be next year, could be this next couple months. Let me know in the comments down below. For me, if I actually have to buy a phone, I would definitely be buying the OnePlus Open Fold. But other than that, that would probably be the next one I would personally buy if I have to. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road.